a lazy beach day in Cozumel, and an amazing Rio Carnival show. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone, and thank you for checking out ATW Travels. This was our first port day in Cozumel, and we were really looking forward to spending the day at the beach at Nachi Cocom. However, that day it was very windy and an overcast day. We still had a good time. At least it wasn't raining, and we were able to dock and port, so that was good.
Hi friends, we made it to Cozumel. We're so excited, and we wanted to give you a peek of the ship and how big it looks here from the pier. She's so beautiful. It's windy in port today, and last night it was pretty windy, but it was nice. It just kind of rocked us to sleep. So we're excited for the day.
And there were only 2 ships in port that day, and the Jubilee was the only one at the Puerto Maya. So with 6,000 passengers on that ship, the line to the taxis was much longer than what we had seen in the past, but it did move very quickly. Here we are at the at Nachi Cocom beach, and you can see how the water looks brownish, and then you could see the seaweed on the shore. They did have a couple of men raking it and then hauling it away in wheelbarrows, but it was just hard to keep up with it. I mean, the waves kept bringing more and more seaweed. It was still relaxing to sit there and enjoy the sounds of the waves, even though we didn't get into the water for too long. Good afternoon from Nachi Cocom. It's a very breezy, windy day. There's some waves. The weather's nice. It's just, yeah, the water is kind of murky. But it's starting to slow down a little bit with the waves.
And the sun is starting to come out.
Yeah, it's sunny now. We just finished eating. We had some good food, some shrimp and some fish.
And some really good fruit. The papaya was amazing.
And some flan.
Ew.
Yummy. And even though the weather wasn't exactly what we had hoped for, Cozumel still managed to charm us with its unique beauty and laid-back atmosphere. And you know what they say, a bad day at the beach is still better than a good day anywhere else, especially at work, so we'll take that. We made our way back to the ship pretty early, probably around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then got ready for dinner, and then we had a drink at the Alchemy Bar, where I love how their menu lights up when you open it. I think that's really cool. And before we headed to dinner, we got to see Kindle Fire introduce all of the officers on the ship, including the captain. And this event normally happens on the second night of the cruise, but because the second night was the Super Bowl, they had it on the third night instead. A little tip for y'all: if you plan to watch any shows in the center stage theater of the Jubilee, try to get there early. Even though this is a 3-level theater, so to speak, there's some seats that are better than others, and so you want to try to get the good seats when you get there.
I know we've been clapping off. We are coming to the most senior officers here on board the vessel, the top 3. Now this young man, and last but most certainly not least, he is the master of the vessel, our captain, your captain, your put your hands together, our captain, Stefano Bonino! It's a runway, do it, Captain.
Give it up for Kindle Fire, ladies and gentlemen, the lady of the house. Thank you so much. And thank you for coming out tonight all dressed up. You look beautiful. Well, we normally do this the first day. Did you enjoy the game last night? Yeah!
And after dinner, one of the highlights of this trip was on the cruise ship itself. We were lucky enough to catch an absolutely mind-blowing show, the Rio Carnival. This show is only on the Carnival Jubilee for now. They might be moving it to other ships. And you guys, this show was absolutely amazing. From the vibrant costume to the infectious energy, the Rio Carnival on the ship was an experience like no other, honestly. The performers brought the essence of Rio onto the ship, the music, the dance, the incredible aerial performances. It was a visual feast for the senses. And with that wraps up our Cozumel adventure. Despite the unpredictable weather, we did have a blast, and the Rio Carnival show on the ship was the cherry on top. If you ever find yourself on the Jubilee, make sure not to miss out on these fantastic onboard performances. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the rest of our Carnival Jubilee series with Costa Maya next. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching again. Until next time, remember to enjoy your travels. It's your journey. It's your story.